So what's up guys, today we are going to unbox the Boats Airdops 161 true wireless headphones. So let's start the video. So friends, now let's start to unbox the Boats Airdops 161 true wireless headphones.
Friends, as you can see, this is the headphone box. As you can see, friends, this is the headphone box. Talking about the quality of the box is very nice. As you can see, Boats Airdops 161 is written here. As you can see, friends, and there are features of this are written here like 13mm drivers, the one IWP technology, A-safe charge also written here, and here both logo is there, and on the specifications are even here. As you can see, the specs of it, and it is also IPX5 resistant, and it have instant response touch controls also, and 40 hours of playback, music playback, and it also supports Google Voice Assistant and Apple Siri. So let's start to unbox this. So as you can see, friends, to open it, here one seal is given. So let's break this seal. So friends, as you can see, I opened it, this one, and here the headphones and all the accessories of this side. As you can see, friends, this one is the thing where all the things are here, and there is nothing more in the box now. So first of all, the charging case is here. As you can see, this is the headphones main part, the main headphone, and you can see, friends, this is the thing, the main one. Let's keep that aside now. And this one FAQ card also is given here, and I think charging also in the here, chargers or one accessory also can be here. Let's see what is inside this. So yeah, friends, extra earbuds are there, and we have got the charger also. We don't get the adapter but on the cable, and nothing more is there in the box. So friends, this is the main headphone. Packaging is very nice. As you can see, friends, this is the main thing. Okay, one of my first impressions of this one, I'm feeling it to be very polished type, and I'm feeling it very nice premium time also. It is giving me feeling. So as you can see, friends, this is the headphones, true wireless. It has magnetic connectivity. So as you can see, light is blinking. Let's keep it inside. So this is the headphone. It is magnetic. So friends, let's now connect it and see how it is.
So friends, now I have tested the headphones. So first of all, my first impressions of the headphone is that the quality of this headphone is very nice. The bass and all of the things are very nice of this headphone. It is actually more better than any other wired headphone also. I have many wired headphones also, and the old Boat Progress headphone also wireless. So it's a very good headphone. And also with this headphone, the box, these all comes, this warranty cards and manuals, and also one sticker also come, as you can see. After that, the charging cable also come. I have already shown you, and the headphones. And also the headphones, in the down, the light will blink when you will charge them. Then the light will blink red, and when the charge will be full, then it will blink. It will stop blinking and only turn into red color.
So friends, talking about the design of this headphone, is very nice. As you can see, friends, it has magnetic thing, and it's that have a very metallic finish also on it. And on opening, as you can see, friends, the design is something like this one. So in terms of design also, friends, it is a very good headphone.
And talking about the build quality of this case, it's very nice. And also the headphones also, it's not that very heavy also, but I've actually found the headphones to be a little bit more bigger than expected, but still it's very good in terms of quality. As you can see, friends, these are the headphones, and this is the headphone. In terms of qualities, I think it's very nice, like it's very compact. And I buy the black color version. There are also many other different versions also of the same headphone. And if you buy a wireless true wireless headphone like that, you should also buy like a thing like this one. As you can see friends, this is one like protection. For protection you can buy this one, so you can put your headphones in here in this and use it like this. So if even if it falls down, then the whole thing is not fall, so the headphones will not fall directly on the ground. So it's a very good protection thing. So friends, that was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe the channel. And also I'm bringing one detailed video on this also. Don't forget to check the video also. So friends, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.